Okay, we are now working on a 2012 Nissan Altima. Customer states his suspension feels very bouncy. I did recommend these struts here. As you can see, the gas and the oil came out, started leaking. Very, very bad. Bad front end, jumping everywhere. We also did recommend a few other things here. He got a lot of oil leak. Very bad oil leak. Control arms are busted. You have your 3 bolts up top. Then you have your 2 bolts down here at the bottom of the strut assembly. Then you have your sway bar link here and link. Take off this right here. That's going to be your ABS wire. Pop that guy off there. I normally take a pair of dikes to get those guys out. And I'll show you right now. I normally do a pair of dikes. I grab it like so, and I kind of twist it. See that? And it starts coming out. See? Bam. This line is actually the brake line or brake hose. Pop that guy out. ABS. Bust those down. And link. Okay. I like to get my 21mm. Okay, as you guys see here, I took the bolts out. Just gonna push the strut in with my hand here. Oh, there we go. Be careful when you're leaving the rotor like that, hung down. It actually, look at the axle. The axle can come out of its socket, which it already did. Be very careful. Don't forget this wire goes on the front of it, not in the back of it. I'm gonna put it out the way. I'm just gonna get it out the way. I'm actually going to take off the top of the strut here. Get your 13mm wrench. You bust that guy down loose like that. Wow, if I can get this bolt out of here. My goodness. Goodness gracious. There we go. Okay. So then you get your 13mm half drive socket. And you bust this guy down loose like that. Don't forget, your strut is gonna fall down. You see here, that is busted. Look at that bushing. So if you're wondering what that is, that's the top hat. That's the top of the strut. So as that connects to your spindle down at the bottom, which when your wheel turns, that guy turns. And as that guy turns, this is connected to the actual body. So that pivots. There's bearings in there. That's called a top hat. If we want to compare to the new one, make sure you look at all what holds the ABS wire in place, and your brake hose in place. Make sure that's on the right side. So that side has 1. This has 2. 1 and 2. So 1, 2. Okay. Sway bar link is on the left. Sway bar link bracket is on the left. We are good to go. Okay, to clarify, when I took it off, the bracket down at the lower part of the strut, it's going to be facing outside of the vehicle because that's where it connects to the spindle right there. If you look up here at the top, there's a little nipple. See where that part of dirt, it's clean, the clean area, the shape of the little nipple sticking out? That's the nipple right here. That's forward as in front of the car. Front is here. This is to the right-hand side of the car. Outside, what I like to do now that I've got it mocked up in the area where it needs to go, it's not tightened. I actually, if you notice, I use the original bolts. And I'm a big fan of original OEM equipment. And then that hole, you see, it's not in the same spot. I actually like to put it in the exact same spot. So when I go to line it, I'm gonna snug it. Not tight, just snug. Close as I can get it to where the original spot was. So we're gonna lock it down from here. And we want to put a little bit of torque on this now so it won't come out. You don't need no comebacks. Nobody likes a comeback. Okay, so as far as the ABS wire goes, remember in the front of it, right? So as you can see, it is back in the front. Let's go and bolt this guy back up now. Spindle. Just gonna push it in until it lines up. You're lining up the hole. Ooh, we're almost there. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna get the bolt. I'm gonna run the bolt in there. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. It's almost there. Oh, and we are of there. Put your nuts on. Connect your ABS wire. Basically backtracking your steps. Special unique shape. You see that little, the bottom of that has a little indentation triangle. Oops. That actually goes in that little groove right there. See that? Okay, so back to the wire. ABS wire is on in the front of the strut. Tighten these bolts down here, lock it down. And we made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for the next couple more mechanic jobs I'm gonna be posting. I hope you guys can like and share and subscribe. And if you like what I do, put a little comment down below. Let me know if you like it. If it's interesting, let me know. Alright, I'm out. Peace. Deuces.